Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you how to make this absolutely beautiful lavender colored basmati rice. So this is really simple stuff. After you've cooked your purple carrots, save the juice that they cooked in, and same with your basmati rice. You can do it right away after you've cooked it, or this is leftover rice, which is also fine. I'm going to get a little bit bigger bowl so I can stir the rice around a little better. I just love the smell of basmati rice. So then just pour in the purple carrot juice. It doesn't really matter how much, because we're going to strain it again once it dyes the rice this beautiful lavender color. Now these are the purple carrots that are orange in the middle. I'll fish out those couple of carrots there. And now we'll stir that all through. Just look, it's already turning this gorgeous shade of lavender. And it doesn't really flavor the rice at all, so you're perfectly okay. You're not going to change the flavor. You can spice your rice whatever way you like. Spice your rice. And actually, I just had a perfect amount of juice. There's no additional juice left over in the bottom, so I don't really need to strain it. But if you had more on there, on that rice, you can strain it off. And then just reheat your rice and serve it any way you like. Now, if you want to know how to cook rice like I do without a rice cooker, and have all these like perfectly individual grains of rice, not sticky, I have a very old video here on YouTube. I'll link that in the description box below, and also at the end of this video, how you can make rice perfectly every time. And now this beautiful lavender rice is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this very simple way to make your basmati rice look just a little more special.